One is called Get Off My Car meme. It's like Get Off My Car meme, but it's different. Bye, not Sayu. This is my sled, so can you please get your fat ass off of it? Oh, please, spoil the rich bitch. You're just jealous of my sled. Then why do I have the keys to start the engine? Huh? Oh, you stole my keys. Isn't that right? Also, getting onto other people's property is called trespassing. Right? Yeah. Wait until some police TikToker comes along your TikTok account and arrests you.